Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about list indexing. What is list indexing? So in list indexing, we can able to access the element from the list data. The element of a list can access by using the indexing position. The list of the element can be accessed by using the slice operator. The indexing position will start from the 0 indexing position and each and every position will be added like 1, 2, 3. Okay, the first position will begin with 0 and next position will be 1 and keep on it will be count is increased. For example, we can take the list consists of 0 to 5. Okay, so these are all my list inputs and our indexing position will begin with 0. So in 0 indexing position, I have an element 0. 1 indexing position, I have an element 1. 2 indexing position, my element is 2. 3 indexing position, my element is 3. So 4th indexing position, my element is 4. So 5th indexing position, my element is 5 and so on. So we can have an element like that. So we can be able to get the element in ranging also. So how can we get the element? We can see with an example. We know that list consists of different data types. So hello, 56, 7.89, 3.4G, no. So my list consists of different data types. So print of k list of 2. So in second indexing position, what is the element I have? My floating value. Similarly, yeah, I'm giving like 6th position. In 6th position, what is the element? I have index out of range because till 5th position only I have a element. Okay. Whenever I try to print the element which is not available in the list, that time I will get a error index out of range only. Okay. In 6th position, we don't have any element. So we'll comment this one. So instead of 6, if we try for some other element, we try for 5, will get us morning. Okay. Actually, this is not a error. Whenever we try for unknown element, which is not available for the particular position, that time we'll get this one. Okay. So we can able to get in range also. So how we can able to get in range? So 3 is my starting position. So from 3 to till my end of all the characters. So 3 means hello is 0, 56 is 1, floating is 2, 3.4j is 3. So from third position to till all my character it will be printed. Similarly, I want to begin with 2 and end up with 6. We know that 6, we don't have any element, but I can able to give 6 as my end limit. If you are specifying both starting and ending position, it won't include the end limit. Always it will include only the starting limit. Okay. So 2:6. So 2 is my starting position. From 2 to 5 only it will be printed. And till 6. So if you're providing till 6 also, that case it won't raise any error. Till 5, what is the element you have? That only it will be printed. Okay. When it will raise an error, only if you specify single position 6, that time only it will raise an error. Okay. So you can able to provide ranging with 3 kind of operation. Either starting position alone, both starting and ending, or ending position. If you want to provide stepping value, k list of, so I want to begin with a 0 position, end up with 6, and I want to skip a alternate characters. That also I can do. So it will remove alternate characters. So this is what a stepping value. Okay. So this is a way we have to do the indexing position. So in the next discussion, we will see what is the negative indexing. I hope you guys are understand this concept. If you have any doubt, then let me know. Yeah, guys. Thank you.